Hey guys, it's Jeremy Blanton here with Remax Southern Shores, and I'm here with another 2 Minute Tuesday, where with it being the first day of spring, I thought it was a perfect opportunity to step outside and share with you today 3 things you can do around your house to get your home ready for sale this spring. Let's get started. Alright, so today I want to share with you 3 things you can do around the outside of your house to make your home ready to be sold this spring. We're going to talk about some simple things that you can do that aren't going to cost a lot of money, but can make a huge difference in your bottom line. So I'm going to put 2 minutes on the clock, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do with your house is make sure the grass is looking great. Get your lawnmower out, cut the grass, get the weed eater out, get nice trimmed edges along sidewalks, around flower beds, make it look pristine. You have to think, when people are pulling up to the house, the first thing they're going to see is the grass in the front yard. If need be, buy a bag of fertilizer, put it on, get your lawn looking great and green. The second thing that I want to talk about is along those same lines, and it has to do with your flower beds. Go and buy yourself some mulch. Whether you go down to the mulch bucket and buy it by the dump truck load, or you go over to a place like Lowe's or Home Depot and buy it by the bags. That's what we do. In fact, here's some leftover from last year. These bags are maybe going to be $2 to $3 a piece. You might spend $150 to $200 to get the amount that you need to cover your yard, but it's going to make a huge difference, and it does a lot of things. The first thing it does is it helps to cover over all of the weeds that are happening in your flower beds. It also helps to prevent them from sprouting back up through, and gives your yard a nice vibrant pop of color on the flower beds. It helps to make the appeal of the outside of your house dramatic with a very minimal cost involved. And the third thing that I would do, and actually I would do this one probably before putting the mulch out, is get out the pressure washer. This thing right here is your best friend. Take it, spray down the whole side of the house. If you have a side of your house that doesn't get very good sun, you may start to have some mold that's growing on the side of the house. Pressure wash it off. Take it to your grill, take it to your smoker, take it to your patios, clean off all the pollen from the springtime coming through, and it is going to make a huge difference. This is going to take you a little bit of time and a little bit of labor, but once again, the end result is going to be huge. So, hopefully I covered this week in 2 minutes or less. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.